Hey everyone, welcome back to edquest. Let's walk through how to set up Docker on your system. This is the foundation before we start building and running containers. Step 1. Download Docker Desktop. Head to the official Docker website and download Docker Desktop for your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. The next step is install Docker. So let's continue to step 2. Install Docker. Once the installer is downloaded, run it and follow the on-screen instructions. On Windows, make sure to enable WSL2 is promoted as Docker use it to run Linux containers. Step 3. Open a terminal or command prompt and type docker --version. This command should return the installed Docker version, confirming a successful installation. We will go to the 3 dot icon on left bar. In bottom, the green dot, so the Docker desktop is running. Now we run Docker Hello World program. To confirm everything is working, run docker run hello world hello-world. This pull a test image from Docker Hub and run it, verifying the Docker is working properly. As you can see here, the response from Docker, hello from Docker. This message so that your installation appear to be working correctly. And that's it. Docker is now installed and ready to use. You can start creating containers, running images and working with Docker files. Thank you.